Do 10 push-ups every day, and it will completely transform your body. Push-ups are beneficial for building upper body strength. These exercises work the triceps, abs, and shoulders. And when done properly, they strengthen the lower back and core by pulling in the abdominal muscles. Push-ups are effective and fast, not to mention, it can be done anywhere. Since it doesn't need any equipment. When done regularly, say 10 push-ups a day, you are likely notice gains in your upper body strength. But what else is there? Find the answers of these by joining us in this video discussion of ours. Number 1. You feel energized. Do you tend to feel groggy in the morning? How about doing push-ups first thing then? Exercise increases heart rate, respiration rate, and core body temperature. All of these contribute to feeling energized. Moreover, from psychological perspective, exercise, even just short bursts, can already help reduce feelings of anxiety and stress and improve overall mood. Thus, 10 push-ups a day can greatly help in setting a positive tone in your everyday life. Number 2. Your core feels stronger. When it comes to push-ups, people immediately think of arm and chest strengthening. Yes, that's true, but if you're doing push-ups with good form, your entire midsection can be benefit. Unbeknownst to others, push-ups are actually a full-body integrated exercise. Therefore, aside from strengthening your arms, chest, and shoulders, it's also remarkably beneficial in boosting core strength and stability. Number 3. There's a visible increase in definition. Continue doing 10 push-ups every day for at least a month, and you will see more definition in your body. The likelihood of seeing a more defined physique as a result of exercise can greatly depend from person to person, given the different variables like current fitness level, body type, and body fat percentage. Hence, depending on your body, the difference you'll see may range from none or barely there to be a whole lot more. Number 4. Push-ups get easier. The form is crucially important in an exercise like push-ups. So, if your arms are tired and your form starts getting wonk a few push-ups in, then don't hesitate to drop on your knees to protect your shoulders. On some days, doing 5 good form push-ups can feel impossible. Still, over time, you will be off your knees for entire set. With practice it gets easier. Tips for proper form. When performing a push-ups, you must keep 3 things in mind. First, keep your back straight and your core engaged. Second, your butt should be down instead of lifted. And third, your body must perform a straight line. No arching of the back, nor sagging of the body. Also, your hands should be firmly rooted on the floor or mat to keep your wrist protected. If this is hard, you can start on your knees. The thing with push-ups, or any exercise for that matter, is that just when you thought you had it down pat, the next day, it's taking so much in you to complete 10 push-ups in a row. That's because it's normal for the body to feel different day by day, especially based on the activities performed the day prior. The key here is to take enough rest so your muscles can recover. So, are you ready for 10 push-ups challenge? When will you start? Let us know in comment section. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends for more interesting facts on human body. Subscribe to the channel